everybody! Welcome back to my channel at Invest Naturally. So in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about the tour at Living Earth and composting on an industrial scale. Alright, so let's get on to the video.
Living Earth was founded in 1985 in Houston, Texas. As of today, they have 26 locations and 10 of those are located in the DFW area. The Living Earth facility we toured was located inside of the Arlington Landfill. You do not have to be a resident of Arlington, Texas if you only intend on going to the Living Earth facility to drop off yard waste material or pick up landscaping material. As we drive along, you will notice that the Living Earth facility is not the first thing you will see. It is hidden towards the back of the landfill, so you will have to drive along following a few signs guiding you towards the Living Earth facility. Because we are in a landfill, you will notice a power plant, and the reason for it is because the landfill does produce methane, which is a greenhouse gas, and this power plant is used to reduce the amount of greenhouse gas that is released into the earth. Every year, Americans throw away about 24 million tons of leaves and grass and 22 million tons of food waste into the landfills. It's estimated these recyclable materials take up to 20 to 30% of landfill space. Living Earth is the largest recycler of green material in Texas. Because of that, they have helped reduce landfill use, greenhouse gas emissions, and improve water conservation, while also returning organic matter back to the environment. Because Living Earth takes in so much green material, they need a lot of water on site. That is why you will see these tanks of water and trucks watering compost piles and as well as the roads to help reduce dust on the facility site as well as keeping the compost piles moist. Living Earth is also the largest provider and manufacturer of mulch, compost, and other landscaping materials in Texas. The Arlington material only provides mulch, soil, and compost for the Tarrant County area. They do not provide rocks and other landscaping materials as other Living Earth facilities do. For those materials, you would have to go to those Living Earth facilities. In order to break down all of these green materials, Living Earth has to use large machineries to help grind down fence panels, tree trunks, as well as sift through soil that may contain large rocks or other types of debris that Living Earth doesn't necessarily want in their mulch, soil, and composting piles. They also use large machinery to help turn their compost pile. Once the product is finished, individuals like myself or businesses can come in and pick up the finished product by the cubic yard. The Arlington facility does not offer bagged finished products, but you can purchase these at other facilities. I personally don't want to buy them in individual bags because that just increases the waste that we would end up sending into the landfill.
I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!